Mga minamahal na mga kapatid, ang problema natin ay pag tayo nakikinabang, tayo ay bulag. Hello? Pag tayo'y nakikinabang, tayo ay bulag. The problem with the gospel is we close our eyes on what is evil when we are among the beneficiaries. Be careful. Even Satan is capable of giving what you pray for. Be careful. Sometimes we are so blinded, not of what we really want to see, but because we don't want to see what we ought to see. Again, hindi lahat ng mabait, mabuti. As I always say this, hindi lahat ng mabait, mabuti. Kaya mag-iingat. Kaya tayo nasadlak sa hirap. Kaya tayo ay kinukurap. Kasi ang dali nating magbulag-bulagan. Amen.